What if your backyard opened up to one of 30A's rare coastal dune lakes, giving you direct access to the Gulf? And what if your home felt like a boutique resort? This is lakefront living redefined. Come and join me for a tour of 105 Trey Lane. Hi, my name is Andy Beal with Real Broker, and today I'm excited to take you on an incredible tour of this beautiful home tucked back, very secluded here on the shores of Eastern Lake. If you've been dreaming of a 30A beach home, whether as a primary residence, second home, investment property, or a property like this that serves as a tremendous legacy home for generations to come, I'd love to connect with you and serve as your guide. You can find all of my contact information at the QR code or in the description below. Now let's get to the tour.
Tucked away on a quiet dead-end street, this 4-level coastal retreat was completely reimagined in 2022. From the moment you step through the door, you can feel the care and quality behind every detail, from custom craftsmanship to seamless flow. The main living area is spacious, open, and filled with natural light, an ideal setting for gathering with family and friends year-round. Wall-to-wall windows at the back of the home capture breathtaking views of Eastern Lake, stretching all the way to the Gulf. The dining room and chef's kitchen is an entertainer's dream, featuring Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, a double oven, dual dishwashers, and not one, but 2 ice makers, including a commercial-grade model to keep the party going. Step out onto the large, screened-in porch, a peaceful sanctuary for dining, relaxing, or catching a sunset over the lake. Back inside, the main level also includes a cozy guest suite with twin beds and an ensuite bath, complete with a second door for convenient access from the main living space. Upstairs to the 3rd floor is home to 3 more bedrooms, beginning with the stunning primary suite, a private haven with tranquil lake views that greet you the moment you wake up. The ensuite bath features double vanities, a glass walk-in shower, and sleek tile work throughout. And this walk-in closet is something special. Spacious, organized, and custom designed. Just outside the door, you'll find one of 2 laundry areas in the home. A fun bunk room with double over double beds provides plenty of space for the kids or guests. The 4th bedroom features a king bed and once again, those unforgettable lake views. Complete with a beautifully updated ensuite bath for total comfort and privacy. And finally, one more flight up. On the 4th floor, a bonus living area offers the perfect setup for movie nights, game days, or simply kicking back and enjoying the view. Step out onto the top floor balcony for one of the best vantage points in Seagrove. Panoramic, peaceful, and totally private. Back downstairs on the ground floor, we find the climate-controlled garage that includes an additional laundry area and built-in storage, keeping everything organized and out of sight. The backyard is where the magic continues, complete with a fire pit, bocce ball court, and plenty of room to relax or entertain. Follow the path down to your private dock, your personal gateway to Eastern Lake. From here, kayak or paddleboard straight out to the Gulf, or enjoy a peaceful boat ride through one of 30A's rare coastal dune lakes. "105 Trey Lane" isn't just a home, it's a legacy property built for making memories.
Well, as you can tell, 105 Trey Lane is an extraordinary property and incredibly rare that you find something like this that's actually located on the banks of one of the beautiful dune lakes here along 30A. From hosting friends with ease in this incredible gourmet kitchen, as well as this large living space behind me, the outdoor spaces looking out over the banks of Eastern Lake, as well as the opportunity to launch your private boat or paddleboard from your private dock and enjoy all that Eastern Lake has to offer, going all the way out to the Gulf. This property is exceptional. If you want the complete listing and all the details, including photos and the full listing description, you can find all of that information by scanning this QR code or the link in the description below. And if you're thinking of buying or selling here along 30A, you can reach out at the contact information in the description below or scan this QR code to schedule a free time to talk. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this incredible lakefront property, and until next time, make it a great day on 30A.